Hello Chichis fam, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always tuning in. Thanks for always supporting your girl. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are also welcome. Please join the family by subscribing, like and comment. So in this video, I'm about to do a boho knotless braid tutorial. Okay, so anytime you don't have time to go to the salon, or you don't have the budget to get your hair braided in the salon, you can actually just wash your hair, stretch it out, and get your braiding slayed. Okay, so this video is going to show you how to braid your hair like a pro. Okay, what did I say? How to braid your hair like a pro. So here I've already sectioned the hair, and I'm going to be using expression braiding hair in color 35, I guess, and in color 35 and 3 packs of expression braiding hair. And I'm going to be using a coiling hair, finger roll coiling hair, okay, and it's 1 pack in color 27. Okay, so I'm using a gel. I'm going to be using a gel as well, red one gel, okay, to make the pattern, more visible and more neat. Okay, so I'm going to be doing like a knotless twist, okay, knotless braid twist. How do I put that? I don't know if I'm correct. So knotless braid twist, okay. So I'll be at some point I'll be adding the coily hair in color 27 to give it a little bit highlight, to highlight the twist. And at the end, I'm going to be adding that strand to make the end coil. Okay, the end have that coily, that coily look. Okay, so and this style is called boho braids. Okay, boho braids, though it's in twist, but it's boho braid. Okay, because I'm adding coils to it. Okay, so at the end will be coil. So I'm not going to put this hair, dip this hair in hot water, but it should come out nice because I'll be putting mousse at the end to give the braid a nice finish look. Okay, so I braided one side of this hair on camera. Okay, I filmed one side, but the rest I did off camera because it's a little bit tiring. So that's why you guys have to like the video at the end and put your thoughts at the comment section, so that will motivate me to do more tutorials. Okay, to do more tutorials because it's what I like doing. I like braiding my hair, I like braiding others' hair because I'm a hairstylist and I'm an entrepreneur. Okay, so in this channel you'll be seeing a lot more. Now that you have to subscribe to the channel. If you are just coming across my video, you have to subscribe, so join the family so we can learn together. Okay, so guys, I'll leave you to watch to the end. Please don't forget, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Put your thoughts about this hairstyle at the comment section for you to see more tutorial. That will motivate me. But guys, I will not give up no matter what. Okay, please like and share, and I'll see you in my other video. Please guys, follow me on my Instagram page. It's Chichi_Gala. You will see beautiful hairstyles. I'll keep you glued to my Instagram page. Okay, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye guys.